Good afternoon. It's Monday the 28th of November. I'm on the Pram walk, and one of the tricks of the trade, taking a wee one on a Pram walk, is, and particularly on this road, so there you've got your Pram, and it's, the opening is to the front, obviously, so that the child can see out. But invariably, whenever I'm walking up the road here, the sun is on my back, as you can see from my shadow. But whenever I turn round with the bar, the sun is going to be beating into his face. So what do you do? Because if it beats into his face, he will waken up. He cannot stand the sun in his face. So what do? Well, it's warm enough today for me to take off my coat and put it over the front of the Pram and block the light, which is what I'm going to do. And I've got a jumper on, and I've got this coat here. And it's actually warm enough. I'm actually pleasantly warm. Look at Davis there, isn't that wonderful? Best viewpoint over Belfast. Probably the best viewpoint over, be in the top 10 of any European city. Anyway, I digress as usual. So I'm going to take my coat off and show you what I'm about here. A few blackbirds, are there? I think they're blackbirds. Maybe a thrush or two in amongst them. Is that a, I don't know. It's hard to see in this light. Blackbirds suddenly appear in the winter time. You never see them in the summertime. Then they suddenly appear. That might be a thrush there to the left. Don't know. So, off with the coat and drape it over the front of the Pram. So you see what I've done here. And it's essential that I do this, because your man will definitely waken up, and he definitely needs his sleep. He hasn't really slept since 6 o'clock this morning. He's a shocking sleeper. All our children, all our grandchildren have been wick sleepers, and it makes life that much more difficult. But that's what I've done. You gotta be creative, folks, when you're doing the Pram walk. Oh, there we go. The sun's beating down on the front of that Pram there. And if I hadn't have put my coat, there he robin. There he goes. If I hadn't have put my coat to cover your man, he'd be yelling and he hates the sun in his eyes. Don't we all? And this way we'll get a bit of peace. And he gets a wee drop of sleep, which he desperately needs. And we desperately need a drop of peace as well. Rearing young ones can be very, very demanding. But very enjoyable as well. You get such a laugh. in between the struggles. See you soon.